Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about matter. Very short video. We're going to talk about three types of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. There is one more, it's called plasma. And that's what the sun is, and we're not going to worry about that because we don't have that on Earth. So the three we're going to worry about are solids, liquids, and gases. Right? All three things you should be familiar with. Now, do solids have mass? Do rocks have mass? Does money have mass? Does ice have mass? Sure it does. Of course it does. Okay. How about liquids? Do liquids have mass? Sure. And these are things that you would understand. But do gases have mass? Well, let's go back. What is ice made up of? You know that. Let's make sure. What's water made up of? Water is H2O, right? So that's an oxygen with a couple of hydrogens bonded to it. All right, well, what's ice? Well, ice is water. Ice is still water. It's still H2O, oxygen with two hydrogens on it. Up here we have some helium balloons. Here we have some hot air balloons. And here we have some steam coming out of steam vents on the big island of Hawaii. Steam. Does steam have mass? What is steam? Sure, steam is water. Very hot water, but it's water. And if it's water, it's made up of oxygen with two hydrogens. Does oxygen have mass? Does hydrogen have mass? Of course. So that tells me that there's no question that solids have mass, liquids have mass, and in fact, all gases have mass. And just to give you another example, helium balloons, why do they go up? Why do they rise in air? Well, it's because helium weighs less than air, so it rises in air. So, you know that atoms are comprised of protons, neutrons, and electrons. They all have mass, and all matter is made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Doesn't matter whether it's solid, liquid, gas. So, all matter has mass. That's what you need to know. Do the worksheet, come to class, take your test. I'll see you there. Have a good day.